Java Basics. Types of variables. Local variables. If a variable is declared within the body of a method or a block or a constructor, is called as a local variable. Some important points to remember about local variables. You can't use access modifiers for local variables. These variables are only visible inside the method, block, or a constructor where they get declared. Whenever you declare a local variable, make sure you assign a value to it before it is being used, as local variables do not have a default value. For example, public class test, open curly bracket, public void my age, open bracket, close bracket, open curly bracket, double slash, declaration of a local variable, integer age is equal to 0, semicolon, age is equal to age plus 14, semicolon, system.out.println, open bracket, open inverted commas, my age is, colon, close inverted commas, plus age, close bracket, semicolon, close curly brackets, double slash. Creating the main function, the purpose of which is explained later in the chapter. Public static void main, open bracket, string arguments, open close square bracket, close bracket, open curly bracket, double slash, new object is created for the class test. Test test1 is equal to new test, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon, test1 dot my age, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon, close curly bracket. The output of this program will be explanation. Here, in this program, we have created a local variable and assigned it the value which is 0. We have created a class test which has a method myAge. Inside this method, we have created, declared, defined a local variable age which has an integer value and hence declared as integer age. We have also assigned it a value is equal to 0. By calling the method myAge in the function main, we get the string as the output. Note, the scope of this variable is limited only to this method myAge, open bracket, close bracket. Class or static variables. As the name suggests, static variables are initialized at the very start of the program execution. These variables are initialized only once. Remember to initialize these variables before any other instance variables. Any variable, when it is declared with the keyword static, it is a static variable. Note that static variables are declared within a class, but make sure you declare these variables outside a method, a block, or a constructor. Some important points to know about static variables. Most of the times, these static variables are used for declaring constants. Constants always have the same initial value by which they are declared. Constants are those variables which are declared as public, private, final, or static. Static variables are created at the time when the program starts and get destroyed when the program ends or stops. The visibility of static variables is just like that of instance variables. But it is to be noted that declaring these variables in a public class makes it available to the other classes in the program as well. Let us now understand the default values of these variables, which are mostly similar to instance variables. We enlist the same here. Numbers is equal to 0, for booleans is equal to false, for object references is equal to null. You can assign the values at the time of declaring a variable, or if you are using a constructor, then you can assign value within a constructor. You can access the static variable by calling its class name. The syntax is classname1 dot variable name. Let us also understand the syntax of declaring class variables. If the class variables are declared as a public static final, then these static variables, which are constants, are all in uppercase. If these variables are not public and final, then you can follow the same syntax which you have. For instance, / local variables. Note: scope of the static variables. Only class variables can be declared as static variables. It is also essential to understand that static variable becomes available to all the objects of the class where it is declared. But in case you declare it in the method, then the variable will have scope limited within the method. Example: public class student, open curly bracket, / declaring the static variables, static string name, semicolon, static integer age, semicolon, static void display, open bracket, close bracket, open curly bracket, / printing the name and the age of the student, system.out.println, open bracket, open inverted commas, name of the student is, close inverted commas, plus name, close bracket, semicolon, system.out.println, open bracket, open inverted commas, age of the student is, close inverted commas, plus age, close bracket, semicolon, close curly bracket, public static void main, open bracket, string arguments, open close square brackets, close bracket, open curly bracket, name is equal to, open inverted commas, John, close inverted commas, semicolon, age is equal to 14, semicolon, / calling the display function, display, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon, close double curly brackets. This is an example of how static variables can be accessed directly when you have a static method. The output of the program would be like this. Let us also write a program to see how the static variables work. Class student, open curly bracket, static integer age is equal to 14, semicolon, public void profile, open bracket, close bracket, open curly bracket, age ++, semicolon, close curly bracket, public static void main, open bracket, string arguments, open close square brackets, close bracket, open curly bracket, student st1 is equal to new student, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon, student st2 is equal to new student, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon, st1 dot profile, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon, st2 dot profile, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon, system dot out dot println, open bracket, open inverted commas, student1 marks are is equal to close inverted commas plus st1 dot age, close bracket, semicolon, system dot out dot println, open bracket, open inverted commas, student2 marks are is equal to close inverted commas plus st2 dot age, close bracket, semicolon, close curly bracket, close curly bracket. The output for the program will be instance variables. So, what are the instance variables and what is the scope of instance variables? Some important points about instance variables. These are the variables which are defined without the keyword static. These variables are declared in a class, but note that they need to be declared outside a method, block, or a constructor. When an object gets created by using the keyword new, instance variables are created. The variables get destroyed when the objects are destroyed. You can declare instance variables either before or even after they are used. You can also give access modifiers for the instance variables. As these variables are visible for all constructors, methods, and blocks, we recommend to make these variables private. Let us also understand the default values for instance variables. Numbers is equal to 0, booleans is equal to false, object references is equal to null. Assign the values to the variables while declaring or when you are within a constructor. We now take a look at how to access the variables. You can access these instance variables inside by calling the variables. But when it is a static method, you should call them with object.variablename. Import java.io.*, public class student, open curly bracket, public string student name, semicolon, / instance variable student name is visible to all child class, private integer student marks, semicolon, / student marks is visible only in student class, public student, open bracket string stu name, close bracket, open curly bracket, student name is equal to stu name, semicolon, / we are assigning the student name variable to the constructor, close curly bracket, public void set marks, open bracket, integer stu marks, close bracket, open curly bracket, / the marks variable is assigned a value, student marks is equal to stu marks, semicolon, close curly brackets, / let us print the details of the students, public void print stu, open bracket, close bracket, open curly bracket, system.out.println, open bracket, open inverted commas, the student's name is, close inverted commas, plus student name, close bracket, semicolon, system.out.println, open brackets, open inverted commas, and the marks are, close inverted commas, plus student marks, close bracket, semicolon, close curly bracket, public static void main, open bracket, string arguments, open close square brackets, close bracket, open curly bracket, students stu1 is equal to new student, open bracket, open inverted commas, Bandar, close inverted commas, close bracket, semicolon, stu1 dot set marks, open bracket, 54, close bracket, semicolon, stu1 dot print stu, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon, close curly bracket, close curly bracket. The output of this program will be